Guys, welcome back to the channel, Keith at Crypto Bullseye. So for all of us to get exactly what it is that we want within the crypto market, i.e. alt season, we need one thing to happen first. That's ETH season. We're going to look at the ETH Bitcoin chart. We're going to look at why Ethereum needs to be the next crypto to start driving the market, to start really bringing confidence into the market. And if Ethereum tested its all-time high, how much liquidity would that bring into the crypto market? That's outside all of the other altcoins. What would that do as far as a catalyst is concerned? Right, we're going to look at lots of different things in this video. We're going to start with the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, and you can see what happens here during different times of the market is what I talk about, the rotation of capital, the change in hands from people that have already made their gains to the people that want to sell their gains and want to make more gains in other assets that haven't run yet. So they go from Bitcoin to Ethereum within the crypto market. That's from the least risky asset, i.e. Bitcoin, to the second least risky asset, i.e. second biggest market cap. So we can tell Ethereum, the second biggest market cap, 316 billion. So how far away is Ethereum from its all-time high? Let's take a look. From where price action is now, let's measure it. From where price is now to its previous all-time high, that's about 85%. So that's about 85% liquidity on top of 316 billion. That's just under $600 billion into Ethereum as far as market cap's concerned. That's just under $300 billion going into the crypto market outside of Bitcoin, outside of the altcoins, just into Ethereum. So what you'll see if people are coming out of Bitcoin, because Bitcoin's already had its bull run, people are taking their profits, people are taking their gains out of Bitcoin, they want more gains in Ethereum. Ethereum's a sleeping giant. People are not talking about Ethereum. That's what I'm talking about, guys. 300 billion going into the crypto market. That's going to give some kind of catalyst. So we can look at the Ethereum chart here. What does it look like? We held the 200 daily moving average. You can see that we're making a trend line here. We're holding trend at the moment, still waiting to hold trend, and we're waiting to crack from this trend here. This is going to be the major resistance here, guys, $3,333. You can see that's a 61.8% retracement from this previous swing high here. This was the all-time high of November 2021. This is the weekly chart. You can see that we were rejected at the 786, not once, not twice, but 3 times. We needed to cool off. We needed to pull back. So are we in a better position now than what we were here at $4,000? Definitely are. Currently at $2,627. Not only that, this is the higher time frame. You could see one thing. We're coming back into oversold. So what was it up here, guys? This was overbought. This was overbought. People that were buying there were buying into weakness. What about now? People are buying into strength. People are holding trend. People are holding the 200 weekly moving average, guys. The weekly moving average holds a lot of weight. Look what happens each time that we hit the weekly moving average on Ethereum. We get a bounce, we get a bounce, we get a bounce. So we're holding the 200 weekly moving average. That's a strong thing. We're holding trend. That's another strong thing. That's double confluence. And we're holding the 38.2% retracement, which is holding support too. So there's lots of indicators signaling that Ethereum is going to be the next one to run. Got these coming oversold. This is the weekly. If we jump into the 3-day, you can see massively oversold. Jump into the daily, you can see oversold. So the indicators have reset, guys, on smaller time frame, on the higher time frame as far as Ethereum's concerned. So we're waiting for this thing here to bottom out, start cracking trend, start making higher highs and higher lows. When that happens, that's signaling that Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin. So Ethereum's starting to eat away at the market cap and eat away at the market cap. Bitcoin's dropping because people are coming out of Bitcoin, making gains in Ethereum. That's what we're looking for. And ultimately, the aim of the game, guys, as my strategy is concerned, go back and watch my strategy videos. I'll leave the link at the end of the description. Total 3 is going to be my indicator to come out of crypto. Once we get a break, once we get a close, the all-time high of total 3, I'm going to start scaling out of my position over 10 to 12 weeks. So that is my strategy, and I'm going to live and die by it. We can see weakness in the dollar. This is when we're going to get a bull market. We're on the weekly chart here. This is the DXY. We're getting rejected at 618. And once we get this big move to the downside, that is showing weakness in the dollar. And that is people rotating out of the dollar into higher risk assets. Some of those higher risk assets are speculative assets such as crypto. Some of them are high risk crypto. So we're getting a weak dollar. We've got signals of a weak dollar. This is the USDT dominance. We've got a rejection here at the 38.2% retracement from this previous high. That's good. Once we drop this previous low here at 3.8%, that is a big surge in capital going into altcoins. People are spending their USDT. People have got their USDT here. They're holding it. People are scared at the moment. People are waiting for direction. Once they get direction, they're going to be selling their USDT. What they're going to be buying? Altcoins, guys. Of course, they're going to be buying altcoins. And that's when you'll see a big push to the downside. So let me know if you agree, guys. Do you think Ethereum's the sleeping giant? Do you think Ethereum's going to be the next one to run in the crypto market? Do you think we're going to get that 300 billion going into Ethereum anytime soon? Let me know in the comments what you think. See you in the next one.